We are so much more than what we deem of ourselves. We think we understand the ins and outs of truth. What's right, what's wrong, what's good, what's bad. But it's the fearless dance that continues to call from within. The pure creative self drumming, pulsating, pulling us, calling us home. We know this voice. This is why, despite our thinking selves' best effort to flood our thoughts with duality, we continue to sing, to dance, to cry, to build, to share, to create. We are not that little voice inside our head. We are the watchers of our story, the masters of our destiny. We are storytellers.
My mom has always said that from the time when I was a very little baby, I wanted to perform for people. I would bark like a dog or moo like a cow. And I was happiest at the grocery store where I was entertaining people. So everybody has completely different processes about how they get ready for a performance or how they get in the zone for things. Me, I like to listen to 90s music and the Spice Girls and just forget about it. If I think too much, I have a huge problem with overthinking everything. I have a ritual before every show too. I say this Leonard Cohen quote. Would you like to hear it? Short? Ring the bells that still will ring. Forget your perfect offering. There is a crack in everything. That's how the light gets in. That, to me, is a beautiful reminder that not everything is ever going to be perfect. And the flaws in your story often make it that much more beautiful. More than anything, as a storyteller, people want to see you. People want to see your truth. People want to hear what your perspective is. No matter what. Yes, there are tons of people who are doing this and tons of people who are telling stories, but no one has the exact same experience as you. No one has your exact point of view. We all have a unique perspective and can tell something in a completely different way. And that is extremely valuable. We need different perspectives so we can learn and grow from each other. That's the only way we grow as a society. The question that I have is how do you get people to look at the right things? Because there's so many different things, but we as storytellers are challenged to get people to focus on the right things. That's our greatest challenge today, perhaps, is how do we bring attention to the right things? I think we have to constantly lift each other up and be kind to ourselves. I've always struggled with that. I have such high expectations for myself. I would love to tell past and future Katie, it's gonna be okay. It's okay to try new things and to put yourself out in the world and try to, I think we all should be focused on just spreading love to everybody we can. We all are beautiful beings with stories to tell, and we all have to rise above our fears and be willing to share that with other people.
What the world
Needs now is love, sweet love.